You are so funny. Hey, that's not nice. I'm not looking at you, and I'm looking over there. Brat. I'm looking at the Fruity Tooties. Look at all those beautiful apples. I love apples. Do you like apples?
Yeah, stupid mommy.
You know, that's not nice. You know that's not nice to say that?
Why?
Because stupid is not a nice word. Did you know that?
I know.
Huh?
I just want to say that.
But why? Can you stop doing that, please?
Please, Mom, can I just stop like that?
No.
Boys, come on.
It's time for dinner.
Mom, but I want to watch TV and drink some cocoa and get a blanket.
Yeah, of course you do.
Mom,
What?
please, 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 please,
Okay.
please, please.